All right, guys, I'm not really sure where to begin. This video is going to center around the LMT, but it's not going to be specific to the LMT. The LMT that I have, I don't normally run this body, but I put it back on because I like to dress the body up. It's kind of fun to mess with it. So something else that I did, and I talked about it last week, and that's these bicycle lights. Now, I just picked up 4 of them for $7. I mean, anybody can get them. But they're pretty cool because they have so many different modes you can set on them. They're super nice. I just got it set up like that now because I'll show you the lights on this in just a second. But I'm just saying, 4 of these guys, I have 2 of them over here charging, 4 of them with chargers, with cables, with double-sided Velcro stick down. Sorry to hose around so much, guys. And, you know, the bands and instructions, you know, I mean, 4 of them for $7. That's pretty good. All right, I know this is really boring, but I'm going to just give you a link to these LEDs and a link to these little portable lights here, you see here, and you know, you can spend a couple dollars. The main reason I'm doing what I'm doing, if anything on the LMT, I'd be buying, you know, aluminum axles front and rear, you know, the housing, because I don't like that these things snap off. But right now I don't have the budget to be doing that, so I'm doing other things, just stuff to keep me busy. So spending a couple dollars here or there is, you know, not a big deal. All right, guys, there's how the front lights look. The stock 2 lights, I ended up having to replace those as well. They ended up burning out on me. But like I said, I use the 12 volt. Everything I'm using is 12 volt, 12 volt, 12 volt now. So even at a lower voltage, they work just fine. And then my inside cab lights kind of makes it look like a police intervention or something. And then in here, I've got lights circling the skeleton. I would think it would be nice if I could make some curtains or something for in here. I don't know. I don't know exactly. But I do also have one other light that I could turn on. I need to automate all this stuff really, but it's just what it is. Okay, so I also have a backlit light above that kind of shines down. You can see it back in there. Yeah, looks pretty cool for lights. I think it'll look really nice at nighttime coming down the road. All right, guys, got my little ramp project I'm doing. I'm going to get the LMT out and do some jumps with it. But on this ramp, I was lucky because a neighbor gave me a bunch of really high-end plywood that he had left over. And I'll show you right here. See, this is plywood, but you can, look how dense that is. I mean, look how many layers. I mean, that stuff is like a solid piece of wood. And there's no voids anywhere in this plywood, none. There's going to be another top piece which will go on here because these are removable. So I can remove them and I can replace with other pieces. This one is going to go on here to create an upward curve after you get off. I don't know. I'll just have to show you after it's all done. But I thought I'd show you how I'm doing it. You know, just all 3/4 heavy duty. Even this is 3/4, 3/4. This is like 1/4 inch birch or whatever, like this stuff right here. You know, easy to bend. I'm probably going to have to wet this piece just to get it to bend perfectly onto that, but we'll see. All right, moving on. These clamps here. These work really well if you set them up right. If you're having like multi-ramp construction, modular, like what I'm doing right now, those work really well for clamping stuff down. All right. Okay, there's a little bit of my ramp design. I don't know how well this is going to work. I just experimenting to see. But like I say, these parts are detachable, so you can take them on and off. And this other little piece here is like if I want to have my backflip or just a longer send. But yeah, let me get it finished assembled, and you know, as I get going, I'll probably create more stuff for this. But for now, I mean, it kind of looks like a blower or something. Or maybe I can double it as a port for a subwoofer or something. I don't know. There's the ramp setup. The ground's a little uneven. I just thought I'd give you another look at the LMT, the way I got it set up. I don't know. Oh, got to turn on my little inner lights. The other one on too. There you go. And I think I got a light up underneath too, somewhere shining downward, but not seeing the effect of it much. Anyways, that's it, yeah. LMT, pretty much stock. Pretty happy with the way the skull came out. It looks a lot better with an antique like that. All right, so here's the plan. I'm gonna go up that ramp gently and bring the LMT up and over. And we'll see what happens. Okay, so I think I'm setting it up a little different. I'm having it so as the LMT comes up over the top, it'll hit this part here, that'll pivot down and let the LMT cross over. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. All right, let's roll, man. Okay, LMT, let's do it. Well, I guess gonna need a little more speed than that. A lot more speed. Oh, it fell out of the LMT. Okay, buddy, you can do it. I'll probably bring out a different rig because I don't want to scuff this one up too bad. As you can see, my flashers already came out. But these things are pretty cool because you can just put them wherever you want. You know? Oh, nice. And they shine from a pretty good distance. You can see them pretty good. All right. I don't want to bang you up right now.
This can't be happening, man. This isn't happening.
It's all crooked. Something's broken. I lost a link or something. It's a delicate beast you are. Let's see what's going on. Yep, that same miserable link hold down just keeps ripping out no matter what I do. Anyway, there she is. And Glory. She's a pretty cool little looking little truck though. I thought I'd show you guys this on the Son of a Digger, the LMT. This bracket here, from day one, it just pulled loose on me. You know, it just came right off. So, you know, I did different things trying to get it to hold on. I put glue on there, did different things, put tie wraps. But I put tie wraps before I even ran this, before I even ran it once. And I noticed that these M3 screws that they had in there, they were just really loose and stripped. So I'm just going with the 3.5, and they seem to be working just fine. I mean, it's just soft plastic. It screws right in. As long as your length is good, I don't know. We'll see how it works. All right, guys, the LMT seems to be doing much better now. No big deal. I was just trying to do stuff that didn't cost money. You know, it's towards Christmas time and just wanting to stay busy. Appreciate you guys watching, and like and subscribe if you like the videos. And I'll try to get out some bash stuff more pretty soon.